put that up there is right now we've had some great selling. We've had a great selling season, right? It's pretty much a seller's market out there right now. As long as you can get the supply, or as long as you can get the inventory, you guys can sell it. I'm not going to say it's easy. It's never easy. The car business is never easy. Just simply the nature of our business. With us kind of having a strike against us, being car salespeople, right? But obviously we know that at some point here there's going to be probably some reckoning, and this crazy frenzy of demand, and if you guys have it here, I'll buy it type of thing is going to slow down a little bit. There's a quote out there that says, during good times, bad habits are formed, and during bad times, good habits are formed. And I'm not saying that we have bad habits, we just want to make sure that doesn't happen. So hence the reason we're doing a little maintenance here on the operation. So winter is coming, obviously at some point, so we want to be prepared.